Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and today we're going to do a basic maintenance. We're going to take this cover off, get down to the spark plug, check the air filter. We'll do that first. Need a screwdriver. You have 3 screws. Up here in the front. Next thing you have to do is push your bar, make sure it's locked forward so you can get the cover off. Under your spark plug. Need a 3/4 inch socket for this particular chainsaw. Pop the cover off there. It's a little dirty, a little gas buildup on it. So you want to do is wipe that down. You can take a little bit of, it's 150 grit sandpaper, and you can just sand it, sand the outside of it. Same thing on the edges here. And inside, you don't want to do a lot, just a little, doesn't take much. Move around to the other side. Wipe off any little grit. Yeah, nice and clean. Replace it. Tighten it up. Doesn't have to be super tight. You know, you want it to, where you feel it go tight, and then just give it a little extra push. That's good. Replace the spark plug cap. Take the cap off for the air filter. Pull the air filter out. Check it out. It's a little dirty. Not bad though. It's got a little extra fuel on it here. But other than that, it's not terrible. Could be replaced if you get an extra one. I don't happen to have an extra one right now, but inside's all really nice and clean, as you can see here. So I'm going to put that back in. It just clamps on. No big deal there. The rest of it looks pretty clean down inside. You can see that. The engine's pretty clean. I don't use it much. A little bit of brush removal. Nothing too much. Place your cap. Tighten it back down your screws. You just want to finger tight them right now. Until you have all 3 of them back in. Then once you get all 3 of them back in, so you know your cover's nice and flush, give it that little extra turn. And that's that. Turn it around. You can unlock that. Unlock your chain lock. 10mm. Got this little screw right here on the front. Take that off. Take this plate off. Not bad. The black is paint. Check your spark resistor screen. See, make sure that it's clean and you can see through it. If it's a little dirty, you can always go and take a little wire brush and just clean it up. That's about all you got to do there. As long as it's nice and clean, go and replace it. Put your plate back on. Place the nut. Same thing when you get it where it goes snug, just give it a little extra. That's all you need. There you go. Basic maintenance on this is a Craftsman 42cc, the 18-inch bar. It's a decent little saw. It's not the most powerful, you know, it's not a Husqvarna or, you know, a Stihl or something like that. It's just a, like I said, a little brush saw. That's all I needed. But I think they run in the 130 to 150, depending on where you get it. You can get it at Lowe's. But that's that. Pretty easy maintenance. You can go over here and you can take your blade off and check your chain. Make sure it's all clean on the inside here. And that'll be a different video because I'm also going to show you how to sharpen your chain so that you get a nice clean cut, because a nice sharp chain is a safe saw. You don't want to be using a dull one that you have to really work to get anything done. It should just cut through it like a hot knife through butter. So, routine maintenance, Craftsman 42cc chainsaw. Easy peasy.